Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to transform selected area in Photoshop or perfectly. Okay. I use quick selection tool. You can use another tool for selection as you wish. Hold Alt for minus selection, remove selection. Okay. Hold Control Z for duplicate layer. Again hold Control. Selected area. Right click mouse. Fill content or okay. Control D or remove this. Hold Control. Transform this selected area. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.